Hi everyone, my name is Lexi. I'm an admissions counselor here at the Washington Center, and today I will be walking you through the application for our academic internship program and sharing some helpful tips along the way. So let's jump right in. To find our application from the website, you will choose the Apply tab on the top here, which will bring you to the program application portal. If it's your first time starting an application, you'll create an account down here. And then anytime in the future when you're visiting your application, you'll log in using your username and password. And that username is going to be the email that you use to set up your account. So once you log in, you're brought to this page here. You will see a couple tabs across the top. There's Home, Apply Now, and My Applications. To start the application, you'll go to Apply Now and see a list of all of the applications that are currently open at the Washington Center. So if you're applying to the academic internship program, which is what we are talking about today, you'll choose this first option here. And here you'll see a description, some eligibility requirements, as well as dates and deadlines. And when you're ready to start, you can hit Apply Now, which brings you to the application. So here's where you'll pick which term you're interested in applying for. And you'll see the application requirements listed here, as well as a link to resources for these documents you'll need to submit. We also have videos filmed about each of these documents in case you need some helpful tips for those. And then you'll open the application down here. The first page that you're brought to is program information. Throughout the application, any information that has a red asterisk or star next to it is something you have to fill out before you can navigate throughout the application. And on the bottom of each page, there are Save and Next or Save and Previous buttons. This way you can navigate forward and backward throughout the application without losing your progress. So the next page is Contact Information. Again, anything with a red star you fill out. There is some optional information on this page that you don't have to fill out. And in the top left corner here, you'll see this blue circle. You can click on this at any point throughout the application if you need any help filling out the application in terms of making text bigger, changing the spacing, and those sorts of things. That button is on every page of the application. So then we'll come down here and hit Save and Next and save our progress to move to the next page. So here you have college and university information. This is going to be blank the first time that you visit it, but it will auto-populate with your information after you fill it out the first time. So here's where you will select all the information for your school. For our term here, we're going to use Delaware State as a test. So you should be able to type in your school here, and it will pop up from a drop-down menu and select your school. Then go ahead and enter any more information that's required on this page. So we have GPA, type of study, and major is what you have to fill out. On this page, you will also find a box to upload your transcript. You'll click this button here on the right, and from your documents, you'll upload a PDF version of your transcript. Once that's there, you'll hit Save and Next to move forward. Sometimes it takes a little bit to save. Okay, and then that brings us to liaison information. So if you are filling out an application and you attend a school that is an affiliate school of the Washington Center, once you fill out that school information page and come to liaison, you can hit this little search icon and it will automatically populate the liaison for your school. If you attend a non-affiliate school, you will see a different message here that's just telling you that you will receive an email from info@TWC with more information on how to proceed. Now here's where you will upload all of those documents I was referencing in the beginning. First, we have a resume, same procedure. You'll click that button on the right, upload your resume. For the writing sample, same thing. Click that Files button on the right, upload your writing sample. And then for the statement of professional interest, you can actually type that right here. That's not a document that you upload. And then when you have all of that complete here, you'll hit Save and Next or Save and Previous if you want to move forward or backward and work on something you've already done. And here that brings us to the last page with some personal information. So here you'll just go through and fill out all of that. All of these are required, so make sure you fill out everything on this page. And when you've done that, you can hit Save and Next. And here's the last page of the application, which is policies, agreements, and submitting. So here's intern policies. You'll click on this link and read through that before agreeing to that. There is another integrative application box you can check, and an optional box that you can check here. Make sure you just read through all of those so you're understanding what you're agreeing to. And that brings us to the application fee. So there is a fee associated with our application, but since you took the time to use this resource, we want to waive that fee for you. So in that fee waiver code box, you can enter the code apply TWC. It can be caps, lowercase, any of those will work, and you'll hit apply code. That will change your application fee to 0. And at that point, you are finished with the application. So you can either save this page and move back in the application to work on anything you might want to edit. You can just save it for now and return later to submit. Or if you're done, you can hit submit. If at any point throughout filling out the application, you have any questions, concerns, or need any support, you can always reach out to this email here, info@twc.edu. That will get you in contact with myself or another admissions counselor, and we can help you as best that we possibly can. Thank you so much for taking the time to use this resource.